morning, students. How are you? Okay, fine. Already I completed the town mouse and country mouse. Okay. Do you know what is the difference between the town and country? Okay. But today I am going to take the poem that is also the town child and the country child. They, in first lesson, we talked about the mouse. Here, child. What is the imagination of the child who is living in the town and then country? Okay, I'll read first. All of you, those who are having the textbooks, you open it because this is the English norma. So you have to go through what are the hard words, what is the poem, what is the main thing, what are the important things. You have to underline it. Okay. Then the town child, poet name Erin Thompson. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and land. Who is living in the town child imagining something. How he is describing the town full of the traffic, crowded with the traffic. When you go to the Hyderabad, Chennai or Bangalore or main big cities, it's full of the people, full of the traffic. Here also the town child saying, my place is crowded with the traffic. There are buses and motors and aeroplanes and everything will be there. But the town child can enjoy. But what is the imagining? What is his thinking? What is his wish? I wish there are meadows and land. Here, the town child does not like to live in town because he given the reasons. Number one, it is crowded with the traffic, more motor buses and trams will be there. Trams means electric. Trams means electric street cars. Everything will be there. I fed up. I don't want to live in town. Like that, the town child saying, but what is the wish of the town child? I wish. I wish means his imagining, his desire. Here I want to be, I want to live, but I don't like to live in town. I wish there were meadows. Instead of the traffic, the boy likes to live in where there are the meadows and lands. Meadows means, here I wrote, grassland, where there is a greenery part. But we didn't find greenery part in the town. So the boy likes to live in the where there is a great grassland, where there are the lambs going hither and there. It looks so beauty. Lamb means young sheep. We'll find sheep and a goat, everything in the villages, no country. But here the town child likes to live. His wish is where there are the woods and land. I don't like to live in the which place is the full of the traffic. That's the first stanza. The second one, the houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere. Smoke means pollution. Pollution. Wherever we go, more polluted. A place full of the pollution. The place is covered with the pollution. I don't like. The place is full of the pollution, smoke everywhere. That I go. I don't like the noises. Which will give the noise? Buses, motors, aeroplane and everything will be there. I don't like the type of the noise. I don't like to hear the noises. I wish. Second line also, I wish there were woods very near. Woods means small forest, just like not big forest, not thick forest, only small forest. I want to live in the small forest. I want to see the small forest. In the first stanza, where there are the meadows and land. And second stanza, what is the wish of the child? Where there are the woods, where there are the small forests. I don't like to live in the town because it is a crowded with the traffic, buses, motors, cars, and all the vehicles are giving the sound. I don't like to hear. And the second stanza, I don't like to hear the noise. And third stanza, what we are going to see, there is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. Are you going to touch the sky now? It is far above, though the town child likes only the sky. There is a plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Castles mean just like a fort, in the sky. More rooms are there. I like that one. I like that one. I want to live. I love the only sky because there's a pleasant one. There is no noise. The place is very pleasant one. The place is a very quiet one. Like that, the boy wishing to live in the country, who is living in the town, the boy wants to live in the country, because first line, it is a crowded with traffic, and second one, wherever I go I found only smoke. Smoke means pollution. And the third one, I love only one, that is the sky, because there are more castles. More castles means more fort, just like a fort. Then what is the wish of the country? We are going to know. The country child. My home is a house near a wood. Near a wood. But the town child says, my house is just like a road. It is full of the traffic. But here the boy is saying the some full opposite. Near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. If there is any chance, I want to live in the town. I don't like to live in the wood. I don't like to live in the country. Country means a village. The lanes are so quiet, but there is no noise, no motors, no nothing, no street light. We know very well what is the situation of the country. But here I am alone. It is a very quiet place. No noise, nothing is there. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. I'm alone. There are no one to play, to enjoy. This is a quiet place, no noise is there. If there is anyone, I'll be happy. That's second stanza. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely. Nobody is there to play. But in town, more people will be there to enjoy. We can go to our friend's house, we can enjoy, we can go to the beach, something normal. But here in the country, we didn't find all those things. Who is living in the country? The boy saying, the child saying, no one is there, no one is there. I'm alone. I myself only play. No friends are here. Then I'm lonely. For hours together, I live alone. No playmate, no classmates, no friends are there. Then, were it not for the birds and the flowers, were it not for the birds and the flowers, flowers also alone. But they are enjoying. That is God's creation. The child saying, I want. If there is any opportunity, if there is any chance, I want to live in the town, because in the town you find more. The place is not quiet. The place is so noisy. But in the country, no noise, only very quiet one. Like that, the boy does not like to live in country. The third stanza, I wish that I lived. I wish that I lived in a town. I wish is wishing his desire to live in the town to see all the trams. Trams means electric street light. Already I wrote. So when I was there, I can see trams. I can see all the houses. I can see the buses, the trains, the motor cars, aeroplanes. All the sounds will be there. I'll be so happy. That's a very busy place. Like the boy saying, in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street. The street is full of the lights. Street lights will be there day and night. So here no street lights are there. I want to live in the town. If there is any chance, I want to live in the town. I can see the tram. I can see the twinkling stars, twinkling streets. Streets are always shining with the lights. Always it's burning. So no night, no day. So full day is there. Then that is bright with wonderful colors at night. In the night, we can see the wonderful colors. What are the wonderful colors? The street lights are shining and twinkling. We didn't find that in the day or night. I can enjoy. So, town child wanted to live in the country. The country child wanted to live in the town. That is the difference. In the town, busy place. In the country, quiet place. Town, pollution will be there, and country, no pollution there. In the country, we never find the friend. In the town, more friends will be there. So these are the differences between the country and the town. But the child imagining, if I, when we are alone, we are also feeling like that. If I have a, those who are having the one child, one girl and one boy, they feel, so nobody is there to play with me. Only my mother and father, how can I play with them? Like that, sometimes they will say, no, like that here also, these two children are saying who are living in the town and who are living in the country. Okay, my dear student, you write the difference between the country and the town, then you write the meaning. Before meaning, you write the heading and poet name and write the rhyming words and the meaning words. Okay, you write everything in the class. Again, don't ask where we have to write. Okay, ma'am? So you have to write everything in the class work. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye.